something they could feel. What we got? We got the lips. I see the whole liquid crew is up in this motherfucker. Posted getting toasted. I know them niggas up in this shit with these women out here. But yo, check it out. We can't make every song hardcore. But we definitely ain't gonna make no songs shit. So feel the realness of the brother.
What is going on? Are you filming me? Oh my god,
got you.
dude.
And I was like, what? And he's like, it's right there. And I turned.
You're like,
and it's
what,
giant
bro?
fucking, like,
Bro, what is that?
laser blaster.
It's a sub, I guess. What the fuck is that?
Still, the thing go, yeah.
Is it like a...
Yeah, I think.
That's on that pop?
Real
Nah, that's so minor.
Yeah, it's not even that bad, but I think it's definitely from this.
He calls me and he's like,
I want to test for something.
Oh, you wanna? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
I can go.
Are you a goer or are you...
Napa Auto.
Sponsor this guy. Napa.
Fuck Napa. Is that good? I only use Mobile One.
Yeah. The camera that good.
Yeah.
So you're like, oh, what even was happening? Oh, Gavin knows all about this.
Wait. We gotta get the clip again. I wish I brought my burners.
No ways.
What do you gotta say?
What do I have to say?
Yeah.
I wish I brought my burners. But
That's all.
You ready, Andy?
I guess so.
man, I wish I brought my burners. Shit.
I'm on a rampage, but it gets worse. See,
What a tweaker.
What a tweaker, dude.
Fuck. Watch out. No, yeah, it's a safe.
No, he's a prep work.
That's Kenneth's work.
Wow.